Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be tackling introductions. So these will cover simple sentences that start a conversation. So you meet someone for the first time, you can carry a conversation up until you can then tell them you are not fluent in the Yoruba language. So in this class, we're tackling introductions. Allow me to say thank you for coming back to the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for your love and support. Please continue to like, subscribe, and share. Obviously, you can't continue to subscribe if you've already subscribed. But yes, thank you for being here. In this video, we are going to be tackling introductions. So we're going to cover sentences like, hello, my name is, what is your name? I am from, I need help, do you speak English? So let's start by writing out the English sentences. So we're going to treat these sentences or phrases. So first off, we have hello. We also have what is your name? We have my name is, and then we have I need help. How much is it? So this will definitely come into play when you're, starting off a transaction. You're in the market and you want to buy whatever it is you want to buy, plantain, akara, puff puff. You would say, how much is it? Yes. So we're treating the English side of things currently. You also have I am from. So this is when you're telling somebody where you're from, what country you're from. I am from. And the basic one that you need if your Yoruba is not that fluent, you want to say, do you speak English? So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to use a separate tablet. So for hello, you would say ba wo ni. Ba wo ni. Yes? Actually, I should do it this way. Say kí ni orúkọ ẹ. Orúkọ mi. Mo fẹ́ ìrànlọ́wọ́. Èló ni mo ti wá. Ṣé ẹ̀ ń sọ èdè So now I'll take this. This is báwo ni. Kí ni orúkọ ẹ? Orúkọ mi ni. Mo fẹ́ ìrànlọ́wọ́. Èló ni mo ti wá. Ṣé ẹ̀ ń sọ èdè ìlú ọba? So I'll just put the English there. So for hello, you would say báwo ni, which báwo ni simply means how is it? How is it going? Hello. So for hello, you would say báwo ni. When you want to ask someone what their name is, you say, what is your name in English? But in Yoruba, you say kí ni orúkọ ẹ. So kí ni here is what. Kí ni means what. And orúkọ means name. Orúkọ means name. So simply here you can see kí ni orúkọ ẹ, which is what name is yours. So this ẹ here is the pronoun in that sentence. Kí ni meaning what, orúkọ being name, and then ẹ here means you, yours. So the ẹ here means yours. So what name is yours? Kí ni orúkọ ẹ. Then when you want to say my name is, you say Remember, name means oruko. You say oruko mi. So that's my. Me there is mine. So mi is the my. The oruko is the name, as you know. And the ni is. So name my is. So my name is. My name is. So mi oruko ni. So that's my name is. So in Yoruba, the pronoun will always come after the noun. So that's when you're the pronoun will always come after the noun when you're speaking about possession. So when you say something is yours, in English you say your car, my pen. But in Yoruba, it's the other way around, it's the reverse. So my name in English will be name my, which is oruko mi. My shoe will be bata mi. Hand, which is owo, you would say owo mi. So oruko mi ni. So my name is. So how do you say I need help? Mo, so that's I. Fe means want or need. Ìrànlọ́wọ́. Ìrànlọ́wọ́, that means help. Ìrànlọ́wọ́ means help. Mo fẹ́ ìrànlọ́wọ́. I need help. So if you ever are in a fix or in a confusing situation where you don't know what to do or you're asking for directions, you can say Mo fẹ́ ìrànlọ́wọ́. Mo fẹ́ ìrànlọ́wọ́. Then when you're in the market and you're in a transaction and you want to know how much something costs, you would say èló ni. Èló ni. If you remember, I said ni here is. Ni is. So ni here is, but this èló means how much. Èló means how much. So this simply means how much is. How much is. So when you come to say I am from, so you can say I am from Lagos. Yes? So this is almost in the reverse because this simply means ni mo ti wá, meaning that I am from. Ti wá is from. And then this is the you in this sentence. I is the mo. The ni is. So I am. So to be, the pronoun to be, no, the verb to be is the ni. So I am from. So this is come that. So if I can translate this literally, this is to be, yeah, and this is the pronoun, personal pronoun. I am from come. So I come from be. The place I be to come from. Never mind about the literal translation of that, but I'm just trying to see if I can split the hair and break it down. But this is the verb to be, ni, which is, be, am. This is the personal pronoun of I. As you can see here, I want, mo, so it's I. And then this is come, wa, and then to come. So I am to come from a place. I am from Tiwa, that's where I come from. So you can say I am from, for example, Lagos. You would say Eko ni mo ti wá. Eko ni mo ti wá. So you see that thing about possession, which is, where to own something. So the ownership here is where you are from starts the sentence. And then this ni mo ti wá. So it is Lagos that I am from. It is Lagos that I am from. So that will be Eko. We'll start here. Eko ni mo ti wá. If it's England, you will say Ìlú Ọba ni mo ti wá. Ìlú Ọba ni mo ti wá. And then when you say, do you speak English? You say in Yoruba, Ṣé ẹ̀ ń sọ èdè Ìlú Ọba? Ṣé ẹ̀ ń sọ èdè Ìlú Ọba? Do you speak the language of the king? Language of the queen. So, do you, so the N here is the continuous tense. And this so is speak. So means speak. So means speak. So, do you, she, do. So, she here is the do, but in the context of a question. Yes? If you're saying to someone that the person should do something as a verb, you say she, not she. It's different intonations, but in this sentence here, she and so the apostrophe and the n is the continuous tense there. Ṣé ẹ̀ ń sọ èdè ìlú ọba? Do you speak English? So we'll take this, do the English. Hello, what is your name? My name is. I need help. How much is it? I am from. Do you speak English? So we'll run this now without looking at the Yoruba tablet or the Yoruba whiteboard. This is hello. Yoruba is báwo ni. What is your name? Kí ni orúkọ ẹ? My name is. Orúkọ mi ni. I need help. Mo fẹ́ ìrànlọ́wọ́. How much is it? Èló ni. I am from. Ni mo ti wá. Do you speak English? Ṣé ẹ̀ ń sọ èdè ìlú ọba? So we'll take the Yoruba whiteboard. Báwo ni, which is hello. Kí ni orúkọ ẹ? What is your name? Orúkọ mi ni. My name is. Mo fẹ́ ìrànlọ́wọ́. I want help or I need help. Èló ni. How much is it? Ni mo ti wá. That I am from. Ṣé ẹ̀ ń sọ èdè ìlú ọba? That's it, guys. This is the Yoruba. So if you want to pause it here and take a screenshot, this is the Yoruba of these sentences, and then the English, if you want to pause it and take a screenshot. That has wiped off. Fantastic. And that's been it for this class. Thank you guys for joining. I'll see you in the next class.